Hi there, this is video one of our calls on how to start up a block industry and business in Nigeria. And this is the introductory video. Now I want to pay rapt attention. One of the main aim for this course is to give you all that you need to know, all that you need to have, the requisite knowledge, equipment, and resources you need to start and run a standard block industry where you make concrete block for sale to people who are building. And one of the motivation behind having this kind of industry or having this kind of business is that the real estate industry in Nigeria is an ever growing, ever consistent, and ever sustainable industry. And if you look around you, there is ever one way or the other, there will be one way somebody is renovating his building or pulling down the old one and rebuilding, or you find people building new estates in and around you. You find new sites, new areas where people are just building. You can see building just springing up every day. And once you can capture that market, you can be on your way to becoming a millionaire. If your aim is to raise is to get income that will solve your daily needs, you are in the right place, you're in the right business. I can assure you that you will do that. You must be able to know it. So in this introductory video, our aim, our goal is to let you know all the basic equipment and the basic resources you need to start up a block industry. So now, firstly, you have the block molding machine, which is perhaps the one who is good, the equipment with the highest costs. Then you can see right here, these are what you call pallets. These are pallets that will help you where the block will be molded. So as you can see it, here. This is the pallet. It's right there. This is the pallet. So once the block is being molded, it's molded inside the pallet, and once they jack up, and maybe in subsequent videos, you and as you go along this course, you will see a practical running of the block where you see where the workers are molding a 6 inches block. And so that's one, you've gotten to know the block molding machine. And then let's quickly talk about the parts of the block molding machine. So here you have what you call the rammer. You can see it. This equipment is the rammer. This is what will vibrate into the molder. This is the molder, and this is the place where you have the vibrator that vibrates the block. Okay, so vibration, because the principle by which this block molding machine works is the principle of vibration. So you want the sand and the cement that you have mixed together by water, you want it to vibrate together. So that is the principle. So this equipment helps you vibrate it by the means of using the vibrator. All these other parts, they work in hand to make sure that after vibration, the sand and the cement are mixed very well, they are properly compounded, and then after it solidifies, you remove up and then you bring it up. So that's the principle of work operation that you have. Then of course, a means of electricity to power the vibrator, which is of course obviously because of the cost of the electricity challenge in Nigeria, you need to have a standby generator. So this is the cable, it goes, this is the wire to supply electricity for the that. And then obviously you need your sand, and you have your sand. And in subsequent video, we're going to talk about what sand you need and what type of sand you really need for block molding. And then, as you can see here, these are bags of cement. That's one other equipment you also need. And so all this together makes these blocks you are seeing. Isn't that wonderful? That what you need is just the molding machine. And then of course you need the source of water. As you can see, you have a tank there where you have a tank there where the water comes in, where you can get in the water for production. So this is a brief introduction on how to the equipment needed, the resources you need. So this is a sand, this is the block molder, and these are the pallets for carrying the block, and this is the cement. And so for now, we'll move to the next call and the next video, which is going to be talk about how you can you see the practical ways why the machines are working, how the machine is working, how it's being processed, how it's being used and utilized. Okay, thank you.